If you have problem with mold in your home, in your cottage, in your house, install some of these things and that should sort the issue. A friend of ours recommended we do this. He said he had massive issues with mold in his cottage, so we've just installed these, as you're able to see in a few brief clips, and we'll wait and see if this helps. But yeah, basically we had issues because of the PVC windows are so airtight that the air circulation an issue with. So as I was saying, there's an issue with the air circulation because these are so well done in a sense, but I think in the last few years they're not allowed to be sold without these kits. There's these ones that we have in the cottage, they're older windows which came without these. So there's a lot of condensation which forms if there's no airflow. And we did open the windows, but you can't always open them all the time. So it's good to have some spaces there. The airflow is made, and then when you want to close it, I just showed you there. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But yeah, it would be really wonderful if we can sort this issue, as we do not want mold in our home. I hope this was useful to you. I'll leave a link for these things because I don't know how they're called. My husband bought them, and I'm sure you can find much better tutorials on how to do this online. This is mainly a video to give you an idea if you have an issue with mold and you don't know what's causing it, so you don't really know how to sort it for a while. Now you may know. Nice view to the garden towards the blueberry bush that I just planted. This will turn crimson soon enough. Take care.